Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotional Crypto Trading. We're continuing our daily presentations. It is September 13th and we're ready to share with you the Bitcoin and Ethereum price analysis, Cardano, Binance Coin, Shiba Inu, and Ripple as usually, Solana in the middle of the day. So this is going to be out there on our YouTube channel sooner or later, but we're going to get started with our Ethereum topic as usually and see what's happening out there on the markets. If we look into the global reaction and activity, we see that the market has increased in the past 24 hours with exactly 1%. We're sitting above $1 trillion as the whole space, and things are looking more likely than decent as the whole week has been going upwards. So Ethereum for the past 7 days is sitting at 4.46%. Meanwhile, on the daily, it is basically even. Going forward into the charts where the most important things are represented, this is where we are setting. It's quite interesting. We have a whole lot of other things on the representation, starting from vertical lines until horizontal lines, boxes, and pockets. So we're going to get into the pockets. The first one is right there in between the two yellow lines. That is the upper golden pocket of the structure, which did represented at some point a resistance behavior, and then it has been transformed into our support, and that was a significant and major one because at the time we got it for the first signal of support, the whole structure broke. We were able to get above the structure and sort of fly into the movements quite significantly and pump, right? That's the idea, because you're pumping, you're getting very close back to 1,800. So that represented here a segment of a massive shift in the markets. The previous golden pocket was the lower one, acting as a support in significant cases. And that sits just above our liquidity box, which is anywhere in between 1,430 up to 1,500, which means that any bounce into that box is going to be heavily purchased, which is something that actually has happened. That's exactly from where we have triggered a movement upwards. And the movement was significant, boys. I mean, take a look at that. We got 20% in 3 days and 20 hours. If you put it out with leverage as we trade on a 5x leverage, for example, that's 100% on your margin. If your margin is $100,000 in 3 days and 20 hours, let's say in 4 days, you have $100,000 profit on your trade. This is what's possible with the leverage trading as we are doing basically. And by the way, for those of you that are interested in education and believe it's behind the success, is behind every single person performance, we do have our coaching that we're actually talking at the end of the video. We have also trading based on commission. Trades that I perform for myself can be executed for you as well, in the way we are performing, so completely passive. However, let's get back. Basically, we've got the upper box as well that acted significantly as a resistance for the past period. And then we just broke out successfully somewhere around 9th of September. Once the median line of the uptrending channel, because I need to explain you. So we've got this uptrending channel represented with our green lines. Our green lines are having three different behaviors. The top one is acting as a resistance significantly. The median one is a joker, which means that it goes with a dominant energy and shifts back and forth. So then the lower one is continuously acting as a support here downwards. Wherever we talk about of a touch, it must react. Actually, this is what we're trying to address right now with the markets. They're trying to pump, they're trying to react in terms of movements due to the fact that we are in one way in the box that is the upper box of the markets, which in the previous cases used to be resistance. Now it will print bullish pressure, and then you have the green line continuously pumping, which is helping you basically to hold the markets. As soon as you lose the green line of the support, you are going to form a downtrend, a retracement that will basically be extended And we were talking about levels of 1,600 or 500 or even below those levels once again. But at the moment, the structure is staying intact and Ethereum is looking more than decent. Although we got 20% in 3 days, so it's normal to have the retracement we've been having. It's normal to see that the markets have been cooling down and they were coming back 6.5%. Absolutely fine. So that's pretty much all for today of the Ethereum 13th of September. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards zero fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off, up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page or scrembocoaching.com/0 fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking for having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in the space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have 3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have how does it work. On the top left corner, you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. And this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.